Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, I'm going to start with grade 9 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9. Click on view all lessons and we're going to start with the chapter that is solve equations. You can find the chapter name is solve equations. And we're going to start with the first lesson, that is write and solve equations that represent diagrams. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and these important examples as well. Got it? Okay, let's start with example. The first one is write and solve equation that represents the diagram. Okay, let's start with math, then click on continue button, then scroll down to grade 9 maths. Click on view all lessons and solve equations. Here it is, solve equations, and click on the continue button. Start with the first topic, that is write and solve equations that represents the diagrams. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine like terms. Okay, so the length of the red line equals length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 16 and the length of the black line has the two segments. The first one has J and the second one has J. So the complete length of the black line is, it looks like this. Here you have J and here you have J, and this one is 16. So the length of black line is J plus J. This is the length of black line, and the length of red one is 16. So both of them are equal. J plus J equals 16. J plus J equals 16. So here J, they are the like terms. Just collect the like terms. 1 plus 1 is, so 2J equals 16. Got it? That would be the equation, 2J equals 16. Got it? Okay, let's just do the next one. Write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 36 and the length of the black line is divided into three segments. They are J, J and 20. So the length of the black line is, okay, so the length of the black line is J plus 16, I think. J plus 20, and the length of the red line is 36. So you can write the equation as j plus 20, because both these lengths are equal. So it is j plus 20 equals 36. So here you have like terms, you can collect the like terms. So 2j plus 20 equals 36. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line combined like terms. That's the one we did on tutorial. So what is the line? So the correct option is, that's the one we did in tutorial. The length of the black line is j plus j, and you can write it as 2j equals 16. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, so write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Okay, so the black line is divided into equal frames. Let's just count the one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So then black line is divided into 9 pieces. So it would be 9g equals 45. Got it? That would be the correct option for the question. It is 9g equals 45. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. Write an equation that says that the length of red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 27, and the length of black line is, the length of the black line is 2w plus w. Got it? So you can collect the like terms. So 2w plus 1w equals 3w. So the equation is then 3w equals 27. Got it? So it would be 3w equals 27. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. Combine the terms. So which is the correct equation? Length of the black line, red is 18, and the black one has the two portion. Both of them have s. So you can collect the like terms. So they are 2s. So 2s equals, so it would be 2s equals 18. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Sorry, 18, not 118. I selected the wrong option. It would be 2s equals 18. Okay, the next one is, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 6, and the length of the black line is, so 6. The length of the red line is 6, and the length of the black one is p plus 3. So the correct equation is p plus 3 equals 6. So that would be the second option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line and combine like terms. Okay, the length of the length of the red line is 15 and the length of the black line is, so 3j plus j is 4j and 4j plus 1 is 5j. Yes, it is 5j equals 15. Just select the correct option and then click on the, okay, yes brain, it is 5j equals 15. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 29 and the length of the black line is, so it would be 7h plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9h. This would be, oh sorry, it is not j, it is 5. So 7h plus 1 plus h is 8h and h plus 5 equals 29. Got it? So the length of the black line is 29 and the length of the red line, black line is 7h plus h, that would be 8h. So 8h plus 5 equals 29. Got it? Yes, very good. That is 8h plus 5 equals 29. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 15 and the length of the black line is q plus 5. So the equation is q plus 5 equals 15. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So it would be q plus 5 equals 15. Got it? Just select the correct option. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line equals the length of the black line. So that the red line is 25 and the length of the black line is w plus 5. You can collect the like terms, so it would be 25 equals 2w plus 5. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic, and the next topic is solve two-step linear equations. Let's start with the second one. Let me write down the lesson name and then we'll start with examples. Okay, the next topic is solve two-step linear equations. Okay, let's start with example. Solve one-step linear equation. And then we'll do this two-step. Okay, solve one-step linear equation. So let's start with an example. You have to solve for z, and the equation is z plus 7 equals 9. So basically you have to find the value of a z. So on the right hand side you have to just isolate the z, so just shift that positive 7 to the other side, so it would be then 9 minus 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So that means the correct option, the answer for z is 2. Got it? Okay, the next example is f plus 11 equals 20. You have to solve the equation for f. Got it? So the value of f equals, so here you have f, move that 20, 11 to the other side, it would be then subtracted. 20 subtract 11 is 20 minus 11 is 9. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the step with the test. Okay, solve one step linear equations and let's start with the test. Okay, that's the one I did on board. So z plus, solve for z plus 7 equals 9. So what you have to do, you have to shift that 7 to the other side. 7 is adding at the right. When you shift to the other, it would be then 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 9 minus 7 is 2. So that means the value of z is 2. Just select option, then click on the OK button. Okay, solve for k. 2k equals 2. So 2 is multiplying 2k. So opposite to multiplication is division. Got it? 2k equals 2. So 2 is multiplying 2k. Got it? So opposite to multiplication is division. So let's just divide both sides by 2. So here you have 2 and 2 got cancelled out. We're left with a, and 2 times 1 is 2. Got it? Yes, if you shift a positive number to the other side, it would be then negative. And if you are shifting a negative number to the other side, it would be then positive. Got it? So the value of k is 1. Just select correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 3.3 times 7 equals 3.7 equals m divided by 4. Okay, 3.7 equals m divided by 3.7 equals m divided by 4. So 4 is dividing to m. That means you have to multiply it to the other side. So it would be then 3.7. It would be then 3.7 times 4 equals m. Got it? So it would be then 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 3 is in 14. So it would be 14.8. Got it? The value of m is 14.8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, f plus 11 equals 20. So you have to find the value of f. So what is the value? So when you shift 11 to the other side, it would be then subtracted. So 20 minus 11 is 20 minus 11 is 9. So the correct option is 9. Just select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, 2 equals 3 divided by w. So you have to find the value of w. So 3 is dividing to the other side. So opposite to division is multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, w plus 1 equals 19.6. So 1 is adding to right hand side. When you shift it to the other side, it would be then subtracted. So 19.6 minus 1 is So 19.6 subtract 1 is, so the correct option is 18.6. So 19.6 minus 1 is 18.6. Just select option and click on the OK button. Okay, so we have completed the test. Let's just start with the next topic. So the next topic is mm, solve two-step linear equations. Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is let me write down the lesson name. So the lesson name is solve two-step linear equations. Okay, let's start with an example. Okay, the next one is, okay, let's start with the first example. 5 equals 7 equals 5 plus 2b. So you have to find the value of b. So first of all, you have to isolate the b, move the 5 to the other side. 5 is adding to right hand side. When you shift to the other side, it would be then subtracted. So 7 plus 5 is 7, subtract 5 is 2. So it would be 2 equals 2b. Now 2 is multiplying to b. So opposite to multiplication is division. So let's just divide the equation by 2. Got it? So it would be b equals 1. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example. The other one is s divided by 2 minus 1 equals 2. S divided by 2 minus 1 equals 2. So first of all, shift that 1 to the other side, it will be then adding. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now you have to remove that 2. 2 is dividing at the left hand side. So opposite to division is a multiplication. So it would be 10. S equals 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test for this topic. Okay, w by 2 minus 1 equals 1. W over 2 minus 1 equals 1. Equals 1. Let me just, yes, 1. Okay, so first of all, shift that negative 1 to the other side. It would be then added. So it would be 10. W over 2 equals 1 plus 1 is 2. Now W is dividing to 2. So opposite to division is multiplication. So multiply the 2 to the other side of the equation. So 2 times 2 is, it would be 4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Oh, sorry, I selected the wrong option. It's 2. The answer is, we have the 2. The answer is 4. Okay, the next one is 2v plus 3 equals 9. 2v plus 2v plus 3 equals 9. First of all, move that 3 to the other side. So 3 is adding to right hand side. When you shift to the other side, it would be then subtracted. So it is 2v, 9 minus 3 is 6. Got it? Now let's just divide both sides. 2 is multiplying to v. You have to remove that 2. So let's just divide both sides by 2. Got it? So 2 and 2 got cancelled out, and 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? So the value of v equals 3. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 equals b over 3 minus 1. 1 equals b divided by 3 minus 1. Let me just confirm. Yes, first of all, shift that negative 1 to the other side. It would be then added. Got it? So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 equals p over 3. So 3 is dividing to the right hand side. When you shift to the other side, it would be then multiplied. So p equals 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is p equals 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 2s equals 9. Shift that positive 3 to the other side, it would be then subtracted. Got it? 9 minus 3 is 6. So 2s equals 6. Now you have to, 2 is multiplying 2s, you have to remove that 2. So you have to divide both sides by 2. Got it? So 2 and 2 cancel out each other and we are left with 6 over 2. So 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. So the value of s is 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, then the next one is g over 2 minus 2 equals 1. So first of all, shift that negative 2 to the other side. G over 2 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, first of all, shift that negative 2 to the other side, so it would be added to the other side. So 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now you have to remove the 2 from here. So 2 is multiplying to here. So opposite to multiplication is 2 is dividing here. So opposite to division is multiplication. So it would be multiplied to the other side. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Let's just select the correct option and then click on the so 2 times 3 is 6. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Eight equals 10 minus 2t. So 8 equals 10 minus 2t. So move the 10 to the other side. 10 is positive here. When you shift it to the other side, it would be negative. Got it? So 8 minus 10 is, you're subtracting a smaller number out of the greater one. So answer must have a negative sign. So negative 2 equals negative 2t. So negative sign cancel out each other and you have to find the value of t only. So you have to divide them by 2. Got it? So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So the answer for the question is 1. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is solve for b. 7 equals 5 plus 2b. So first of all, shift that 5 to the other side. So it would be then 7 subtract 5. So 7 subtract 5 is 2 equals 2b. So 2 is multiplying to b, so opposite to multiplication is division. Got it? So that means 2b divided by 2 is 1. Got it? That means the value of the b is 1. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2y minus 2 is equals 6. Okay, 2y minus 2 equals 6. Okay, shift that negative 2 to the other side. It would be then added. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2y equals 8. Now 2 is multiplying to y. So opposite to multiplication is division. Let's just divide both sides by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times what number is 8? 2 times 4 is 8. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, t over 4 minus 2 equals 2. T over 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, so first of all, shift that negative 2 to the other side. So it would be then shift that negative 2 to the other side. So it would be then 2 plus 2. And 2 plus 2 makes 4. And you have to multiply the 4 to the other side because 4 is dividing at the right hand side. So opposite to division is multiplication. So it would be then t equals 4 times 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. Got it? So the correct option is 16. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 10 equals g over 2 plus 8. Okay, 10 equals g over 2 plus g over 2 plus 8. Okay, so first of all, that shift that 8 to the other side. So it would be then 10 minus 8 equals g over 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and 2 equals g over 2. That 2 is dividing. So 2 opposite to division is multiplication. That means it got multiplied to the other side. So 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? The value of g equals 4. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is s over 4 minus 2 equals 1. So shift that negative 2 to the other side. So it would be then 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 2 makes 3. Now remove that 4. 4 is dividing. So opposite to division is multiplication. So 4 times 3 is, so the correct option is 12. So the correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3z plus 1 equals 10. So first of all, shift the 1 to the other side. So it would be 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 3 is multiplying to z. So opposite to multiplication is division. Just divide both sides by 3. So 3z equals 9 over 3 is 3. So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 3 plus 2z equals 11. So first of all, move that 3 to the other side. So it will be then 11 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So 2 is multiplying to z. So opposite to multiplication is division. So 8 divided by 2 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. Got it? So 4 is the correct option. Okay, 3n minus 1 equals 2. Shift that negative 1 to the other side. So it would be then added to 2 plus 1 is 3. Divide 3 is multiplying 2 and so opposite to multiplication is division. Divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3 over 3 is 1. So the correct option for the question is 1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 7 minus 2s equals 1. Move the 7 to the other side. It would be 1 minus 7. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6 because you're subtracting a smaller number out of the greater one. So 2 negative 2s equals negative 6. So negative signs cancel out each other. Now you have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So it would be then s equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, m by 4 2 equals m over 4 minus 2. Move that negative 2 to the other side. So it would be then added. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So the m with the 4 that is dividing 2m. So it is you have to multiply to the other side. So 4 times 4 is 16. So the correct option is 16. Got it? Okay, 19 equals 4q plus 3. Move that 3 to the other side. It would be then subtracted. So 19 minus 3 is 16 and 4 is multiplying to q, so just divide the equation by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Got it? Okay, k over 3 minus 3 equals 1. Move that negative 3 to the other side, so it would be 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 and k over 3. Multiply the 3 to the other side, so 4 then 4 times 3 is 12. So the correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, 2p minus 3. Move that negative 3 to the other side, so it would be then added. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 2p equals 6. Now divide both sides by 2, so p equals 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, s over 2 minus 1 equals 2. So the negative 1 is you have to shift that negative 1 to the other side. It would be then added. 2 plus 1 is 3. You have to multiply the both sides by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, so we have completed the test. So we have done 4 of the topics today. And the topics are write and solve equations that represent diagrams, solve one-step linear equations, and solve two-step linear equations. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. Also, if you need more help with any of the topic, you can just contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.